Why is it important to work with your plan? Napoleon Hill, the great researcher of entrepreneurial success, used to say that you need to work with your plan and plan with your work, and it is important to do those things. And a good plan is the A and the Z of the entire success of your goal. You really need to have a very good plan, uh, a very successful plan in order to start building a very nice, a very healthy, and a very possible goal to be finally achieved. The plan is actually your framework. You really need it. It's a healthy structure on which you start building your goal, building the success of your goal. And it has a lot of advantages, and that's why it's so important for you to have a plan. First of all, once you have this framework, you feel safer inside. You really need it. It's your kind of compass. You know where you're going. It helps you better envision your goal. It helps you better see how it works. It's like a blueprint when you want to build your house. You have the plans and you can actually little by little see the plans of your house happening. You know where you're going to build each function, each characteristic and feature of your house, of this structure. This is exactly what a plan for your goal is at the same time. Exactly the same thing. Second, once you know that you have this plan and that you're going to use it in order to reach the final destination of your goal, you feel more confident. You know where you're going. You know what you do. You feel more self-esteem, and actually you know that all the things that they are required during your plan, you will seek and you will find and you will identify the skills you have, that you're going to put them into the correct use to start building the goal, start building the different features of your plan. And even if you realize that there is one skill missing, you don't care about that. You're not so frightened about this, because actually you know you're going to find the perfect partner, the perfect person to help you do this. You know what you're looking for, so you're knowing what you're asking for, and you will find. So you will start building your partnerships. You will start building the team that will work and support your goal, and you know where you're going with them. Also, when you have the plan, it's easier for you to explain to your team your vision and let them help you doing that. They know where they're going as well as you do. You are more convincing. You know what you're explaining to them. It's a means to help you communicate your ideas and the things, the sub goals you have to build in order to go there, to reach your final destination. At the same time, it's very, very useful because it helps you see if the progress you want for your goal is doing okay, or if you need to adjust something, if you need to correct something, if you need to have a good feedback in order to change the things, make some tweaks in order to keep building your goal. All of these things are super important for the success of your plan. Also, and the most fundamental is that you cut your big, huge goal into sub goals. You put them inside this structure, this plan, and now they're not looking intimidating to you. They look like sub goals, feasible sub goals that you can make them happen. This changes entirely your mindset. A big goal that actually you have the drive to achieve it, but it may overwhelm you or intimidate you. It may influence you to have a negative mindset. But if you cut it into sub goals and you put them in a correct structure, your correct, nicely done plan, they will always help you maintain your positive mindset. You achieve each one of them at the sequence that you have designed onto your plan, so you are able to make this the sequence of your success. You're not frightened anymore. You know where you're going. Okay, there will be obstacles. We know that we take those obstacles and we use them as tools to understand and receive experience, which is useful and valuable. But now you know where you're going. You have a compass. You have this plan. You have it as your point of reference. It's the report you have every time according to what you do, how you use it in order to achieve your goals. And this is super important. So don't be shy. Don't be shy to have just one plan. Keep always paper and pencil or your iPad or whatever you want, or your notebooks, no matter. Have your plans, have a lot of plans. Put them on your cloud, whatever you like, and keep yourself accountable based on those plans about the progress you have. This is super important. It gives you the tone to go with every single day. Every single day you know what you're doing. You know what you have done as a progress so far since the beginning of your work. That's why it's super important. And sometimes I understand that there are a lot of people that they don't know how to work with their plans and they don't know how to use a plan. Well, that's how you're going to find out by working with your success coach. You can always ask your success coach of preference. This is me. Okay, you can always claim your free coaching session with Panagiota. That's also me. And you will have this first session with me. Let's discuss if you have a difficulty in creating your plan, setting your goal planning. And you know that's very critical. A successful goal planning is actually very, very important for the final success of your goal. So don't ignore it. You know where you're going, you know where you're moving your energy towards, and you want to move your energy towards your success. So be careful and see how important your plan is and work with that. And you will see how easily you will achieve your goals finally with energy properly used to the proper sub goals. And this is the good thing. You're going to see that what was overwhelming in the beginning, actually right now, it's feasible and you made it happen.